and welcome to our Crochet Designs. My name is Mary. Today I'm not coming to you with a live, nor am I coming to you with a tutorial, but a basic, I don't know what you want to call it, let's call it a vlog plus spot giveaway. Yay! Now my regulars, I'm sorry to the new people who've just joined right now. I'm sorry about that yelling and screaming and fussing, but to our regulars, they already know what's going down today, and to our newbies, you're about to find out exactly what's going down. Now, if you haven't subscribed to be a spot giveaway, firstly and foremost, you need to be a subscriber. Well, that's a given, I suppose. That's a given. But other than that, you really don't need to do anything extravagant. However, today I'm giving the spot giveaway to someone who I think is well earned. But let's not talk about that yet, because we want to talk about what you see right here. Now you guys already know, I'm sorry, the regulars already know what's going on right here. This pattern is all we're focused on the next week and a half. That's it. This is the only thing we're doing apart from one more live antique project by the lovely Corrine. Oh, by the way, if you haven't seen our live antics, we have lives at 10 a.m. Saturday morning and 4 p.m. Wednesday afternoon every week, Melbourne, Australia time, that is. Now, we do that every week. By the way, guys, I'm not editing today, but let me talk about that in a minute. But we do that every week, and what I do is every Saturday mornings live, not the Wednesdays one, but Saturday mornings live, I pop all the yarn on the table that, you know, colors that I like, and I ask one subscriber in the live chat to choose a color combination for our very next project. It is a lot of fun, and your name gets to be mentioned within the tutorial as well. I mean, how cool is that? I mean, I think it's great. Or maybe I'm the one who's excited. But I love doing that because I feel like that we are working together as a team, which we kind of really are at the end of the day. We are here on YouTube to create, to craft, to make something gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So that's what we're here for. That's all we're here for. But we may as well have a bit of fun along the way. I don't see why not. I mean, you know what? We can mix business and pleasure. I can do that. But today is all about the spot giveaway. Oh no, it's not. It's about the spot giveaway, but it's also about what you see right here. You weren't expecting this, were you? To my regulars, they were not expecting this one. They were expecting this one and the one that's behind my chair. Can you see that right there? Oh, I think you can. Now, guys, we won't talk about that one yet. That's not ready for discussion yet. But this one here is ready. It's ready. No, it's not. I'm lying. No, it is ready, but I'm going to spend the next 3 or 4 days reading it, putting it aside, rereading it, putting aside, and rereading it until I can't read anymore. But in the meantime, that means that this pattern is almost ready to go up on the website at www.wowcrochetdesigns.com. Now, this will go up on the website as a paid pattern, and I'll talk about the price in the future once the pattern is up. When the pattern goes up on the website, you guys here on YouTube will be the first to know. Well, apart from the website, because the website will be there, right? But you guys, straight after I upload it on the website, I will come on and do a quick video like this, and you guys will be the first to know. You will have first choice for this pattern, and it will be on special. That's all I'm saying. It'll be on special, but only for a short time, yeah? Then, after about a week or so, we will do the tutorial here on YouTube. As a group, we will do the tutorial here. Now, I've chosen different colors for mine again. You won't be seeing these colors on the tutorial. You'll be seeing something totally different. Now, my regulars would already know that the color combinations they were looking at not long ago, they were Bendigo Woolen Mills, our yarn here in Bendigo. Well, I'm from Melbourne, but Bendigo's in, you know, out of Melbourne there, a little bit further out of Melbourne. But the yarn was chosen from that yarn company on purpose because I used the same yarn to create the cardigan. However, we did a gauge or a swatch video to show you how to do a gauge for pattern making. So if you're scared, I'm sorry, pattern making, for making clothing. Now, if you're frightened to start any garments because you've never done it before and you're a bit hesitant, but in my tutorials, I will go through it with you word from word. You'll get so sick of me. I will say to you, right, this is the same stitch you need to do for the rest of the row. Head off and complete that row and meet me at the end. That's what I will say. I will not leave you out in the lurch for the hard parts. All the difficult parts up here, around there, all the difficult parts will be explained thoroughly, and I do go through it thoroughly for you. So don't worry about that. We will be doing that on the channel probably about a week after it is popped up on our website. I will let you know first. You guys will be the first to know, and I will give you a limit to how long that discount will be. So you've got to get in those, whatever it is, 24 hours, 48 hours, 3 days. I haven't decided yet. We'll talk about that on our live. You know what? This Saturday's live, which is tomorrow morning. We'll talk about it on tomorrow morning's live, and we'll make a discussion on how long we're going to leave our special. And I'll leave that up to you guys. So we better have some fun people on our live tomorrow to talk about that and to do our live antics. And for those of you who are looking at this guy right here, this was the gorgeous granny jumper I made for the Australian Sheep and Wool show last year, which didn't go ahead. So we won't talk about that. My regulars know why. To the newbies, it doesn't matter. This is a new year. And I just wanted to let everyone know the reason I was creating this particular jumper right here was to specifically sell at the Australian Sheep and Wool show as a pack. The yarn, the hook, the scissors, the sewing needle, and the pattern, all in one pack. Now, I ran out of time to get it all prepared for the show, but I did get the jumper finished and I actually wore it so that I can show people what the... Oh, there it is. You can see it much better there. How do you like that? How cool is that? I love it. I love, love, love. The reason I created it was because I was going to set it up as a pack at the Australian Sheep and Wool show in 2021. July of 2021. The Australian Sheep and Wool show is coming up this July. Yes, July 15, 16 and 17. So I'm very excited about that. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, very excited. So I'm preparing this jumper once again in these colours. Oh, how gorgeous is that? So instead of having the green as the highlighted colour or the red there, you could still have a red as a highlighted colour, but I am using blue just for fun. How gorgeous is that, guys? Now, if you didn't know that, which you didn't because I didn't mention it last year because I wasn't ready to set it up as a pack, but I will be setting this particular jumper up as a pack this year. This will be on sale at the Australian Sheep and Wool show. That pattern will also be on our website with that pattern and the one right behind me. Can you see it? The 3 tops will be for sale as patterns on our website. Now, if you can't crochet, but you love to watch crochet and you love to wear it and you just want to purchase one, I will have them for sale on the site as well. Now, I will have the larges or the extra larges, and I'll talk about measurements once they go up for sale. If you have a different size and your size is not there, I will make to fit you. But you need to give me, a few weeks to do that for you. But it will be there for you to purchase as a whole as well. So you could either purchase it as a pattern like that and that, or purchase them as a whole. The only thing you will see as a tutorial on our channel will be this cardigan right here. This one and this one are only going to be patterns on the website. So we're not going to talk about that. I just wanted to tell you that no one knew about this yet. No one knew that I was creating that. Well, you guys knew about that one. You've seen it before, but you didn't know I was creating another one for Bendigo, for Australian Sheep and Wool show in Bendigo. So that's very exciting, guys. Get ready for that. Also, on the channel here at Wow Crochet Designs, in a few weeks' time, we will be doing a little purse. Now, you guys saw them come in. Some of our regulars, that is, saw them come in recently. Sorry about the crackling. We'll be doing this in a couple of weeks' time on the channel. Get excited for that one. There's different colours, but we might do the purple one, I think. And also, I went out and purchased all these zips not long ago to create some little bags for Pipeworks Market that was supposed to go ahead last Saturday, which didn't, and may go ahead within another 3 or 4 weeks. We don't know. We don't know. So I purchased a lot of them to make them. I stopped making them because, well, it hasn't gone ahead, has it? I'm going to continue making them. We are going to make one on the channel. And what we'll do on Saturday's live, we will decide which colour you want to see made on the channel and which colour you would like to see made on the channel for the purse as well. Now, at this stage, I've only been uploading one tutorial a week. I think that's the way it's going to stay for a little while, for the simple fact that I'm getting all this ready for the Australian Sheep and Wool Show. And for you, my subscribers, my loyal subscribers, who have always helped me out in so many ways. And there's so many ways that you've helped me out, which brings me to the spot giveaway. Oh, that didn't go on very well. Let's try that again. There you go. How nice do I look, right? Now, to our new subscribers, I'm so silly. To our new subscribers, you didn't know this, but every time I pop this hat on, that means it's the lucky green hat. That means it is giveaway time. Whether it's giveaway for our milestone giveaways, which is 15,000 subscribers, or 20,000, which will be our next one. Oh, very exciting. It's getting close, getting close. Or whether it's one of these little spot giveaways, but they're little, but they contain quite a bit. Now, I've got one of my other packs here, which I'll show you real quickly. And this is one of our packs. That's the beanie in the pack. Now, this is one of our packs on our website at www.wowcrochetdesigns.com. And in this pack, you have the yarn, the hook, the scissors, the sewing needle, and the pattern. And that's pretty much what our subscriber who wins today will win. Not that one. They won't win that one. They will win this one. Ta-da! Now, our regulars would already know this particular beanie. They would have seen it already so many times before. And yes, it's gender friendly. It's a V-stitch beanie, and it's made with 8-ply or DK weight yarn. Or number 3 overseas, by the way. Now, the other thing I wanted to mention before I announce the winner is to be a part of this, all of that, anything you see here on the channel, to be a part of it, all you have to do is be a part of it. All you have to do is be a subscriber. Do the odd comment. Head over to our website, maybe if you get the opportunity. Check it out, purchase something, make a donation. Whatever. You can also do super chats here on the channel. You can head over to Facebook and leave a message there. You can head over to Instagram and leave a message there. I'm not editing this, guys, because I'm way too excited. The lovely person who has won it today. Now, let's talk about this person real quickly. This person has, on the odd occasion, made a donation on the website. Now, that's not necessary if you find that, that's something you can't do. That's not necessary, okay? But it's just a quick thing to let you know that that's what this particular person has done. This person has also left comments. This person has been on Instagram, has been everywhere, or most places at least, where I am, is a part of all our other giveaways, and is a part of all our other projects that we make, and is just a part of Wow Crochet Designs. And I bet everyone's going to work out who it is when I say this, makes us laugh on our lives. Do we know who it is yet? It's Mr. Marty. Congratulations, Marty. You have won the kit for this beanie pack. The hook, the scissors, the sewing needle, the pattern, and the yarn. The yarn I'm giving away it's a Bendigo Woolen Mills yarn. Now, you already know I've worked with that yarn before. It is a DK weight. The pattern is a DK weight. Very exciting. I love doing giveaways. I really do. And you know what? Tomorrow morning, you have to make me laugh. If you're on Marty, if you're on the live, or everyone make me laugh, because I get a bit sad after the giveaway. I kind of get a bit of a downer. But during the giveaway, I love it because I think someone is waiting to win. Now, guys, I do these little spot giveaways all the time. Congratulations, Marty. All the time. And I look, this particular time I'm shipping overseas. Okay. So it doesn't matter where you are around the world. You will get your spot giveaway. You will get your prize. Now, the last one I did, the lady hasn't got her a prize yet. Because I didn't have the pattern ready. But the pattern is ready, ladies and gentlemen. The pattern is ready, and it will soon be up on our website at www.wowcrochetdesigns.com as a paid pattern. But Marty, you get it for free. And Jody Mann from last month, I think it was, month and a half ago, when she won her spot giveaway, she gets hers for free. And 2 other people who were waiting for it as a freebie when we had the wheel happening, that's a long time ago, they're getting theirs for free as well. I just wanted to let you know, guys, that it doesn't matter that if you can't do some of the things, you don't have to do everything. But for someone like Marty, who not only makes us laugh, but he also does some unusual... Oh, here we go. Oh, look at this lovely thing. He sent us this not long ago, actually. These are all my anecdotes or all my sayings that I do in my tutorials, and Marty picked them all up and he popped them all on a sheet and did a little, I don't know what you want to call it, a little ode to Mary, so to speak, to Wow Crochet Designs. And not only that, last year Marty sent some gorgeous Christmas items. I was blown away by the Christmas ones. They little, the ice skating boot things. I love them, Marty. I still do. But last year he did that as well. And this year he's done things as well for us. So thank you very much, Marty, for all that you do here on our channel here at Wow Crochet Designs. So if you would like to be a winner of something like this, next month it's something different. It's not going to be the beanie. It'll be something different. And it might be next month. It might be 2 weeks' time. It might be 6 weeks' time. I don't know. Because I do these like that on the spur of the moment. I wake up one morning and say, right, this Thursday or this Monday or this Friday, I'm doing the spot giveaway. Or Tuesday, not Wednesday, because Wednesday's our live. Saturday's our live. And also, guys, if you want to be a part of our lives are Saturday mornings, 10 a.m. Melbourne, Australia time, 4 p.m. Wednesday afternoons, Melbourne, Australia time. My name is Mary. This is Wow Crochet Designs. Congratulations, Marty. Ciao for now.